So the big news that broke yesterday afternoon, and I'm recording this on February 11th, so this would have been February 10th, was that the buyout offer for federal employees has yet again been delayed. And it's honestly, it's become kind of a mess. I say that just because it's sort of in chaos right now, in the sense of there's no clear end to the program while it's being litigated. The original deadline was February 6th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Then, just hours before that, the federal judge in Massachusetts, George O'Toole Jr., delayed it. And it was delayed until yesterday, Monday, February 10th. And there was a hearing scheduled for yesterday afternoon at 2, so he could hear arguments in the case. And now it's been delayed again. And who knows when the new deadline's going to be, but it's on hold basically indefinitely. The pause will remain in effect until he has time to issue a new order. I guess on the upside, if you are considering this buyout offer, then you have more time now. The downside is you don't know how much time you have. It could come tomorrow. It could be 2 weeks from now. It's not clear. What is clear, though, is OPM, the Office of Personnel Management, has emphasized that the Deferred Resignation program is still very much in effect and will be ended as soon as possible. They put up a statement on their website that says, quote, "In compliance with an order issued today by the District Court of Massachusetts, granting a request to stay the deadline for the Deferred Resignation program, the program remains open to resignations. OPM intends to close the program to new entrants as soon as legally permissible." As of last weekend, about 65,000 federal employees have accepted the deferred resignation offer. And on that note, one interesting point, all of this came about because a group of unions filed a lawsuit over the deferred resignation offer. And we've seen comments from some of our readers who are very frustrated by this situation because they made the point, we accepted this offer, we did it voluntarily, it was our decision. These unions stepped in and sued, and now we're kind of stuck in limbo. We don't know when this is going to end. We can't make our exit plans. We don't know when the offer is going to kick in or if it's going to kick in. So they're not happy with the situation, and they're also not happy with the unions. But then on the flip side, we've seen comments from people who are in favor of the litigation and support what the unions are doing for whatever reasons they have to not trust the offer. They don't think it's legitimate. They don't think they would actually get paid, whatever reasons they might have for distrusting it. It's important to note for federal employees who are choosing to remain in the federal workforce and not accept the offer, OPM has warned that layoffs and furloughs may be coming, and that there are a number of significant changes that are becoming to the federal workforce as well. A return to work in the office, so telework and remote work are history. The government will have a performance culture with enhanced performance standards at every level. Employees will be working in smaller workforce units with RIFs, that's reduction in force, furloughs, and reclassification, that would be Schedule F, as part of the working environment, and also enhanced standards of conduct. And on that point, OPM says, quote, "The federal workforce should be comprised of employees who are reliable, loyal, trustworthy, and who strive for excellence in their daily work. Employees will be subject to enhanced standards of suitability and conduct as we move forward. Employees who engage in unlawful behavior or other misconduct will be prioritized for appropriate investigation and discipline, including termination." So that's the latest on the buyout offer and where it stands currently. FedSmith will, of course, continue to keep you updated with more news and information as it happens.